A kami sa A. Saan kaya? Standing ka.
Thank you. Ikaw ata taga-saan ka?
Iloilo.
Pumunta ka lang dito pa?
Hindi.
Taga dito?
Ikaw?
Pampanga ako.
Hindi, pumunta ka lang.
Diba?
Grabe. Grabe.
So ilang beses siya na makikita dito? Ilang? First time mo pa lang siya nakita. Makikita. Ano, gano'n ka naka-excited?
Super. Wala paglagyan.
Ilang years ka na ba dito nag-work?
Turning 13.
Wow! More than a decade na. So wala man ay pasikot-sikot dito.
Hindi kasi ako masyadong pagala. Pero okay.
At least no, ilang years ka nang fan ng SB19?
Hindi ko lang alam kung ilan eh. Parang silent fan lang ako. Tapos kung sabing ano, may...
Ngayon hindi ka na silent because dito naman ang cute-cute to. Cute-cute ni ate. Anong name mo pala?
Melissa.
Melissa. Hello. Ayan na. Di ba sino yung bias mo?
Lima sila.
Lahat sila. Matagal pa yan. Ano pa yan? Kaya chika-chika mo. So 13 years. Ilan na yung anak mo?
Isa pa.
Nandun sa ano na Pilipino.
Nasa Iloilo.
Fan din siya.
Hindi.
Ano yung favorite song mo nila?
Ano, mapa.
Mapa. Kakantayin nila yun. Chinese style. Alam mo kasi yung ibang ginawa nila, nag-ano sila, English version ng America tour. Oo. Tapos Indonesian, nag-Indonesian. Ayan. Thank you, ate. Muntik na nga ako din makapasok dun eh. Ang strict nila doon sa ticket. Yung in-scan, kasi binentahan lang ako ng ticket. Kasi agad na sold out. Yung day 1 saka. Ayun. Ikaw mismo bumili.
Yes, po.
Galing. Ano, tingin mo naman yan?
Wala naman.
Kasi pinaman na nakalay dito. Medyo malapit. Ikaw lang mo sa
Kasi itong seat kasi yung friend ko.
Uy, ba't iwaiwalay kayo?
Nagkaiba ng pagkuha ng ticket.
So yun na nga guys, pa-start na rin in a bit. Meron din silang pa ganito. Ayan. So ayan. So ito na yung venue dito sa McPherson. And then, nagka-countdown na. Dahil feeling ko mag-start na siya in a bit. Yung ilang oras. Oh my God!
want us to turn it up a little bit? Turn hot, turn hot. Is it hot? When they saw you, it's already hot. When they saw you. Did you guys see Justin doing some, like, man, what was that? Just, I want to see it again because like I was looking at them. I want to see it again. Because you know what? Yesterday we had no, really. I would like to see Josh do that kind of
the sexiest man in the world.
Josh was like, I've never seen you guys doing that, you know? I've never seen you guys do that.
It's reserved for special occasions.
Especially Let's go.
This is so awkward.
It's not awkward, bro. You look cool.
I won't do that. You know, I'm very conservative. Yeah, Pablo.
That was what I was trying to say. Come on.
That's right. How about Stell? Stell? Guys, look at the muscles. Look at those muscles. Stell.
Wait.
Wait. What?
In what level?
What level?
Maximum level? Maximum level?
Alright.
Okay, your request is that.
Go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Baby, That's spicy. That is so spicy, man. Baby, you're no one.
That's how you do it, bro. That's how you do it. Take it easy. Let's take it easy.
I want to see 18 do it.
Yeah,
It's your turn.
Can we see your freestyle? Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Baby, I want you. Baby, guys, where's the sexiness? Oh, no space. Okay, that's nice. One more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Baby, I want you. Forget about it. We can move on. We still have day 1 tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, but I think let's move on to the next performance.
After that, we are we are genuinely happy to see you guys laughing, and smiling. So, yeah. Through our music, we made you happy, and you guys said that we saved you because of our music, and we will continue to do that. 10 years, even when we die from oldness, we will continue to save you through our music. And that's why, we will dedicate our life to make more music for you guys because of your support, because of your efforts. And that's why we are very, very, thankful and grateful to you guys. Thank you so much. So, there's another song that we would like to perform for you. And 2 years ago, we made this song with such an amazing artist. His name is Jake. And I don't know, this one is just too beautiful. So we would like you guys to sing the song with us, alright? You are very welcome to sing this song with us. If you guys know the lyrics, please do. And this one goes like this.
The Simula at Bukas Hong Kong Hi-Fi session will start in a few minutes. Please take note of the following guidelines.
Sana all.
Guests are required to follow staff instructions and line up at the
Mga
VIP
VIP lang.
area in an orderly manner. No photos, videos, or selfies are allowed during the Hi-Fi session. Any items for signing, gifts, or letters will not be accepted during the Hi-Fi session.
District dito.
Any gifts or letters must be placed in the designated gift boxes.
May gift
These
box.
keep the line moving at all times to ensure that every guest has the opportunity to participate.
Parang gaganyan.
Thank you and
One
enjoy
for
the experience.
1,400 Hong Kong.
Magkano yun sa post? Magkano yun sa post? At yun na nga guys, ang McPherson talagang jump pack talaga. Diba? Grabe din talaga yung pinakitang performance ng SB19. First ever pala Hong Kong nila to. At ay nako, ayan yung standing. Ayan. Grabe din talaga. Pauwi na tapos ng 7:23 guys. At ito na yung mga nangyayari dito sa labas. Ay sa pag-alis na. Ayan, diba? Ayan, paalis na sila. Tapos na ang concert. Oh my God. Ibang klase to. And there you have it guys, no? The concert has finished already. 7:24. So mga more than 2 hours pa 3 hours na rin somehow. Kasi 5:30 nag-start 5, 6, 7. 2 hours. Ayun, 2 hours siya guys. Ayan. So, oh my goodness. I can't believe na nandito ako ngayon sa Mongkok, sa McPherson, para ma-witness sila. All I can say is that they brought the house down talaga. Ang galing talaga nila, alam mo yun, parang dalawang beses ang nanood ng Simula last kick-off. Pero ito guys, very intimate because the place or the venue is very, kumbaga mas smaller siya, no? Pero mas intimate siya, and then kita mo talaga sila. And yung sound talaga guys, yun yung na-impress talaga ako dito sa venue is that very clear talaga yung mga boses nila. Ramdam na ramdam mo talaga yung high notes and all. Yung boses talaga nila individually. Nakikita natin how powerful their voices kapag kasama sila and in person. And yung areglo guys, ang gaganda. Bagong areglo yung mga pinakita nila dito. And na-impress talaga ako, namangha talaga ako. Areglo, and kahit na ang liit lang ng stage, talagang ginawa talaga nilang pang araneta pa rin yung bossesan nila and yung dance talaga nila. Talagang wala silang pinipiling lugar. Talagang very professional talaga sila. Malinis pa rin yung performance nila at mas nagustuhan ko pa nga yung performance nila dito kasi napaka-clear na mga bosses nila and ang saya. Talagang very enjoy talaga and they gave their 100% pa rin talaga kahit saan at kahit anong oras, kahit day 2 pa rin nila, tapos may day 1 pa sila tomorrow. Talagang 100% pa rin pinapakita nila and talagang wala akong masabi. Si Stel, yung mga high notes pa rin, talagang napaka-clear pa rin, napaka-fresh pa rin ng mga voices nila, napaka-linis. So, masaya-saya. Ayan guys, hi-bye nila sa mga VIP purchases. Ayan, kitang-kita mo talaga. Yun yung mga hi-bye na meron silang hi-bye. Ayan, ang swerte. Thank you HK18. Especially kay ate na nagbigay nito. Unbox natin. So, we have photo card. Ayan, syempre kay Justin, no? Ayan siya, oh. With green, syempre, no? Mais. Ayan. And Josh Cullen. Oh, i-unbox pa natin to. Alisin natin. And we have, wow, ang cute nito. Simula at Wakas World Tour Hong Kong. Manukan HK. Ayun. Thank you. Coin purse siya, oh. And last but definitely not the least. Oh, it's a pin, guys. Ayan, from Amuken. Yan, Philip. I wonder ano to. So, buksan natin. Oh, ang cute. Wow. Ang ganda. Oh. Thank you, ate. Nakalimutan ko yung name niya nagbigay sa akin. Actually, nung palabas na ng sasakyan yung SB19, binigay niya sa akin to. Parang kasi parang namukaan niya ako ganun. Wow, meron pa palang isang pin for Pablo, which is happy birthday kagabi. Ayan, ang daming fans ni Pablo kagabi. Ayan, there you go. Ang saya. Thank you, HK18.